Tasi!
Welcome back to Alphabet Storytime. Tonight's tale begins with the nice, noble letter N. Let's say it together. N, N, N. Meet Nina the Narwhal. She's nurturing, neat, and loves nighttime nature quests. She lives near Neptune's Cove, where the sea sparkles with secrets. One quiet night, Nina had a noble idea. I'll explore the nighttime sea and find the glowing nautilus nest. She packed her nature journal and nudged off into the moonlight.
Nina saw a narwhal nibbling noodles neat, a newt on a nebula, dreaming so sweet. A nightingale painted with nectar so bright, the magic of N shines through the night.
Nina saw the narwhal nibbling noodles neat, a newt on a nebula, dreaming so sweet. A nightingale painted with nectar so bright, the magic of N shines through the night.
Finally, Nina reached the nautilus nest. It glowed with natural beauty and whispered, N is for narwhal, nature, and nighttime. What a nurturing nighttime nature quest! Nina the Narwhal showed us how nice the letter N can be. Can you think of more N words? Let's keep exploring.